Hello and welcome at next episode of Stocks Advisor channel. Here at our channel we are looking for interesting buy opportunities for US-based stocks. Today we'll talk about Scorpio tankers traded at New York Stock Exchange, ticker name STNG. Well, STNG is very interesting, actually classical from technical analysis point of view stock that is now in growth mode, and mid-long term speaking it will grow, but for short-term players of course we need to catch an appropriate wave, and that's what we will talk today about. So overall of course the company is buy if you just want to buy it and wait, but if you want to buy in the best possible level, then let's discuss here. So first of all, as always, still it's intraday, you can see because it's a red-yellow candle, but probably it won't differ too much from the current situation. Maybe the shadow will be a little bit smaller or bigger, but overall the kind of combination of stocks tickers should be the same of candles, sorry. And then as always, speaking of moving averages and actually daily charts, we have here three moving averages depicted as always at our charts. These three lines, green, blue and red, being moving average 20, 50 and 200 correspondingly. Here on the left you see their legends. So coming to the analysis, what do we see here exactly? Yesterday it was very nice, very bullish move. Actually a big white candle with some reasonable upwards and downward shadows, meaning that it's still, although the grow up, but under decision making point, because well, we started actually after a nice secondary step. The current wave generally speaking started by 20th of December, then making this flat step, the third step, and now the step was broken, wave broken. And why the reason for this is very simple, because we did broke moving average 200, this green line, the red line, which worked as a strong resist level and was neglecting the price action already 1 week before, several days. And also there is another resist level that was formed historically here previously. It's on these levels. So actually what you could see here, that we are constantly rejecting from these lines kind of a double resist. So to pierce it up we need some steam, and also we see that we are sitting in the vicinity of that, and today the price also went really low. The downward shadow just touched moving average 200 and then returned. So it's still in the decision point, and it means that it could still be there, but it could also rebound. So we need to think how to trade here. On other parameters that are very interesting here is that RSI wise we are growing indeed from starting of 21st of December. If you look where the current wave did start here from these levels, and then RSI wise we are growing nicely here with acceleration, but doing some zigzagging more and more by the end, meaning that the wave is kind of trying to break a little bit or needs to recharge. But still, of course, the final goal would be to go at overbought area where people can take, major people can take the profit. And also, if you look at MACD behavior, we can see that now the current wave, after secondary step by beginning of the year, actually we see it going to positive one, and then its first step, and looks like now it's a second step is about to finish. So it might go a little bit lower, than either make the third one or to go negative. Most probably it will start making the third one, so this scenario will work because it looks like it wants to restart soon. But at least now what could be happening now is so-called the switch from resist to support levels. So the resist level R1 and the SMA 200, so moving average 200, that will resist levels now because they are pierced, they can work now as support lines. But still, because there was a lot of volume traded also recently yesterday, and today we are just on the normal volume levels, this resist line could be also, the price could be sitting in it and dragging down a little bit with it. So this would mean that we can sit in the area between R1 and this volatility level at around 13, let's call it V1. So we could be sitting there and being dragged downwards also with the price action on the actually SMA 200, and only then we will restart, so making the next step. If this is happening, then it would mean MACD wise that we are making this third wave, so it will be 1, 2, 3 waves, similar to what we saw, for example, in November. You see 1, 2 and then small 3 waves with very small amplitudes. That's what happened, and that effect happened also, but with moving average 50. Here you can see when it was dragged many times, many days, it was moving with moving average 50, and then the price went up. So a similar effect would be happening here. If this is happening, this means we can enter here, and the entry opportunity, the best would be actually between 14 and so actually in the vicinity of R1 and lower, not lower than SMA 200. So this would be the very nice entry opportunity, and of course the lowest it would go in this case should be V1, so here you can start entering, and then it's expected to go higher. Should we go to another situation when also MACD was depicted like going first a negative wave and then restarting, for the second case, then of course we need to be prepared for some average downs here to be on a better, let's say, on the safer position. And given that both moving averages 250 and 20, these lines are in accelerative mood now, that they're all going up, but also their second derivatives are positives, we can expect that they will also work as a very strong support lines, and everything in their vicinity would be actually a very nice entry. So this being said, this level, which is technically speaking also a volatility level, not really a support line, so V2 and another level, which is in this case a bit lower here, would be the safest entry opportunity. And by that time both moving averages will be above, so it will create really very strong levels, so you will be very safe even if entering there. So this would be then the second opportunity in case the price will be really dropping and the wave reconfirming itself. This still is kind of possible from technical analysis, but anything lower would be then of course only by negative news, because if you look, there is a very clearly seen upwards move, kind of a new trend being formed, T1. And if this trend is slightly pierced, then the best entry opportunity, of course, will be immediately at V1, V3 levels here. And then it should restart. The price should actually return to T1, because T1 is a very strong vector and a strong attractor as well here. And in this sense, it will be a very strong support level. Again, as always, we discuss, not given at all, but should we have some very bad negative catalyst coming, then of course the price could really drop, and if it will stop dropping, we really need to be prepared to a very deep level support and average down in order to keep being profitable in our trades. And should this happening, then we need really to go at these vicinities, which is again not really given we go there, but as always we discussed the really bad opportunities, and that will be a combination of this support level S1 and V4 volatility level as a final average down. Not given at all, but this should be again news based if something bad happens. Still to be prepared here, and as always, because we want to tune opportunities of profit versus loss, it's more profit here expected than possible loss. So it's 5 portions, 1, 2, 2, meaning that the money you would like to play here, you can split in 5 portions, then you buy with 1 already, average down with 2 if needed, and again, if needed, second time average down with 2 portions according to the entry levels described here with dark circles. This way it will be best optimization actually of profit versus loss. And again, once we start going up again and making profit, thinking of profit, we always say don't be too greedy. It's advised to take profit at 10%, maybe 10 plus. We never discuss exit opportunities because our policy is, and that's how we trade, 10 plus. It's like an extra bonus. And then go to another stock, be very consistent. Also, we post many stocks daily, so you can check other videos, other stocks, prepare, trade there. So be consistent trader, being profitable with many trades rather than trying to become rich with one trade. This is usually not possible, kind of recipe for disaster, you can call it, and the reason why many traders actually fail to be profitable in first year of their trading experience. So with this having said, this is midterm, very bullish, short term, just enter wisely in good levels, and good luck with Scorpio Tankers. Should be overall very good company for recent future to make a profit. So with this having said, good luck with it. Also, please, if you are first time watching this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and please press the bell button. This way you will not miss our new videos on the channel. And also, by the way, speaking of not missing new videos, you can try our free mobile application. Description and link are available below in the video text. You can see it, and with this mobile application you will be always seeing latest 14 videos uploaded to the channel without need going directly to the channel and checking it manually if the new videos did arrive. So good luck with it. Also, please don't forget to subscribe, as I said, and see you at another episodes of Stocks Advisor channel.